Hey guys, got a little video for you today. I'm going to compare the remote start functions on the current generation F-150. Mine's a Raptor trim level versus the trimmer. Some people have been posting online that the remote start button doesn't light up, so we're going to see if that's the case on the new Super Duty. Okay, so people had some questions about the remote start function on the new Super Duty. I'm going to compare that and see if the little light lights up on the Super Duty versus the Raptor. I'll start with my Raptor first. I think most of you guys are aware, most of the new Ford trucks, if you lock the door, the mirrors, oh, maybe my wife turned it off. But anyhow, you get the auto fold option on the mirrors. There we go. Okay, you can do that on the new Super Duty also. Let me show you. And you can turn it off because my truck from the factory did not have that. Okay, so here you go. All right, now I will now lock the truck. Hit the lock button again. Double click. Okay, now I'm not getting the green light on the remote start. I had heard some other people mention that, so maybe this is disabled on the 2023. Turn it off. Okay, now to do the remote start in my Raptor. See if the little light comes on. Lock button. Yep, green light does come on. Interesting. All right, kill it. Huh. So maybe it's just disabled for some reason. I don't know, maybe different technology on the new Super Duty, but lock. Huh. Yeah, interesting. Yep. And then here's the key to my Raptor, obviously. It's interesting. Well, that confirms what some other people were saying. It looks like the light on the remote start has been disabled. I'm wondering if there's a way to go into Ford Scan or in the menus, but it would be something nice to have because I know I use that feature a lot because it'll let me know if I see red or green if the truck was successful with remote start. Stay tuned. I'll find out more information about this.